What's up, guys? It's RJ Cuber here, and I'm gonna do some Rubik's Cube stuff. Yeah, we're gonna race best out of 3 rounds.
Super floppy cube versus 2x2. I'm way better than him, so that's why I have a more challenging cube.
Yeah. And
So
2x2s are pretty hard
let's
though.
get started.
Alright.
Let's mix up each other's cubes.
Mine's already kind of mixed up, so. This thing is so weird. It's just like, I feel like you're gonna beat me.
I remembered algorithms for the 2x2 to solve, or not to solve, to mix up.
You did?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm not going to use any because I want to make it harder for you.
I know some algorithms for like.
Scoot over, man.
Sorry. You scoot over.
Nah, bro, I can't.
Move your camera. Move it, like, move it.
Nah, I don't want to.
Dang it.
I'm done.
I'm not done. Alright.
Okay. 3,
2.
1, go. You're gonna destroy me, I feel like. I don't know why. I just, God damn it. Crap. I sound like Nathan Drake saying crap nonstop.
Yeah, it's like, ooh. My God.
Stompy. Stompy.
I'm almost done.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, I knew you were gonna slaughter me.
That sounded so weird.
No, it didn't. You're just weird. Oh my God. Dude, I literally can't even get this back into its shape. What did you do to this cube?
Oh my God, I'm confused.
Yeah, so am I.
This is not logic stuff, bro.
Oh, yes, back into shape. Okay.
Oh crap. I feel like you might just barely win. Like,
I feel like I might.
I've already
Oh,
solved
no.
like 5 sides, so.
That's impossible. You can't solve.
There's only a couple sides.
Oh no. So I do that.
Okay.
Done. Yes.
What? I was literally really close to being done. I needed.
Round 1
Look,
goes to me.
Look, this is what I need. I have 2 sides. I needed this, right here, and this right. Yeah.
How could you have done that?
Right? Alright, now we gotta mix each other's up.
Maybe I don't have any easier cubes. I was gonna say. I mean, the pyramids is kind of easy.
No, I'm not doing a pyramid. How about this? I'll mess up a freaking 3x3. You have to solve that. And we'll do 3x3s.
Nah, I can't. You don't even know how to solve one, and I only know how to solve 2 layers. I don't really have anything that easy. What about the void cube?
No way, no.
Hey, it's literally. What about the mini 3x3?
Alright.
I mixed yours up.
Look, I made the same.
By the way, I'm
thing.
talking about this like freaking 10mm.
Not even like.
Yeah, this is definitely 10mm, and it is fully functional.
It totally is fully functional.
It is. I could solve this if I knew how to solve a Rubik's cube. But I'll checkerboard it to
There you go.
prove that.
Okay.
Get that out of there. Okay, start in 3,
2, 1,
1,
go.
go. I kind of cheated a little
I
bit.
just saw the side.
Yeah. Wait, what? I'm just kidding. That's easy. But whatever. If we switched, I feel like neither of us would win the whole time. You
What?
guys suck at 2x2.
I'm actually pretty good.
Well, then why are you losing?
Oh, sure. Now.
Oh, there we go. Back in shape.
You already?
Yeah, already.
Already solved one side.
Okay, that will be really annoying for people watching this, so shut
Yeah.
up.
It's not annoying for me, peoples. So, it is annoying.
Oh, dude.
For you
no.
viewers, and you viewers matter more than any of us. So,
Yeah, because we suck at everything we do.
yeah, so, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna break this.
I feel like I'm gonna break you.
Yes!
One side solved. I was closer last time.
6 sides solved. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6 sides solved.
There's only 1, 2, 6 sides.
Should we do one more round just for fun?
That's only 2.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but
Best out of
Alright.
3.
let's go. Yeah.
You wanna do one more round just for fun?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
It's like, okay.
Alright, I'm mixing this thing up.
So I'm the overall winner. Camera reception. I have to look at both of them.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
My viewers matter.
I have to look at 3 things. You, them, and them.
They can see my beautiful face.
Whoa, it's ugly.
Obviously,
Dislike if you agree.
no like.
Dislike.
Oh
bet
yeah,
I bet you'll
we
get
haven't even
0
said
views.
anything like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Like,
Here, wait. Look, this is the scramble I had. The X.
yeah, I know. But I need this.
Yeah, I know. Let's. Alright.
I'm gonna put that there like that. I'm not doing it homeboy.
Okay.
Hey, you can't watch
Still
me.
gonna beat you?
I don't know that.
I'm gonna go easy on you. By that I mean I'm already gonna give you a side.
Okay. Oh, well, actually,
I'm going to go easy on you.
Alright.
Oh, what? What? How'd you? Okay.
3,
3, 2, go.
3, 2, go.
Yeah. That's how you count, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so why are you questioning me if that's right?
I don't know.
I don't know. Dude, I don't think I'll be able to get it like out of this position. This is really weird.
I already solved 3 sides.
How did that?
Crap. Seriously? This is so confusing. I was like, oh no, you already solved it. Crap.
No, I accidentally dropped it.
I had 3 sides solved and then kind
What
of
did I do here?
your mom. Seriously. I'm in this freaking position again. Oh wait. I'm really close to solving this.
Corner twister cheater.
I did that literally all the rounds and I still lost.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna solve my mini 3x3.
That's
Makes it easier to solve if it's mini. Does that make sense?
yeah. You didn't solve it.
Yeah, I did. Look. Is this not solved? That's solved. Solved.
Yeah,
All
but it was
6
only
sides.
in checkerboard.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it
It was
was.
completely scrambled.
Yeah.
Completely scrambled. It was 100% scrambled.
Yeah.
100%.
Yep.
Well, that's it for my video. So peace out. Like if you enjoyed and share and subscribe and bell icon and do those things. Peace.
Bye. Please like, subscribe, and yeah. do that stuff, or I will find you, and I will murder you.